Apple iCloud may have caused a privacy problem. After analyzing the latest iOS 17.5 release, security experts uncovered a troubling glitch. Instead of an iCloud issue, it was an iOS bug responsible for resurrecting deleted photos, some dating back years. Users were alarmed to find long-deleted photos reappearing on their devices after updating to iOS 17.5. Despite widespread reports and concerns voiced by consumers, Apple remained tight-lipped on the issue, but revelation brings relief. It appears Apple wasn't secretly archiving deleted photos, easing fears of a major privacy violation. Yet questions remain about why Apple didn't address the issue sooner. From Reddit threads to social media, users shared their experiences of deleted photos resurfacing, raising eyebrows and sparking confusion. As Apple works to resolve the issue, users are left wondering about the safety of their data. Stay tuned for updates as the tech giant navigates this privacy storm.